Want to receive tokens on MetaMask? Here's how to do it under 90 seconds. Step 1. Open your MetaMask app browser extension. Make sure you own the correct network, like Ethereum, BNB, or Smart Chain, or Polygon. Step 2. Tap or click on your account name at the top. This copies your wallet address. It's a long string starting with 0x. Step 3. Share this address with the sender. You can also paste it into the DEX or exchange if you're transferring tokens to yourself. Step 4. Double check that the network and token type match. For example, don't send BNB to an Ethereum only wallet. Step 5. After the tokens are sent, wait for a few seconds. If they don't show up, tap import tokens at the bottom of your wallet. Final tip, add the correct token contract address and symbol needed. Find this info on Etherscan, BSCC Scan, or CoinGecko. That's it. Just receive tokens on MetaMask. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.